This batch meets the staple length requirement.
Good. I'm logging the tensile strength now. Increase the agitator speed by 10%. We need a smoother, slurry consistency.
Confirmed. Monitoring viscosity levels now.
The fiber length results just updated on the screen.
Yes, 24.1 millimeters. Purity is 99.4%. It meets specifications for pre-bleach.
Check the pH levels on Tower 2. Stable at 7.2, temperature holding steady. Purity levels look good for the banknote paper run.
Check the fiber consistency trend on screen 3. It's dipping. Acknowledged. Increasing pump speed by 2% to compensate.
The drainage here looks consistent across the mesh.
Vacuum levels confirm the dewatering rate is optimal for the security paper specifications.
We're maintaining 74% moisture removal in this section. Yeah.
That's within spec. It's ready for transfer to the watermark press.
A precision-engineered watermark cylinder rotates in perfect synchronization with the continuously moving cotton paper web. Alignment status remains optimal across all sensors. Good. Maintain current speed and monitor the tension reels closely. Pressure readings stabilizing at optimal levels. Confirmed. Fiber bonding looks strong on this run.
We're showing a hotspot developing near the edge of the web. The thermal reading confirms it. Adjust the extraction rate immediately. Check the diameter reading here.
It's within tolerance. The alignment sensors are working perfectly.
Look at the output on line 3. We're exceeding targets. The dimensional accuracy is flawless as well. The new servos are performing perfectly.
We must ensure the registration guides are perfectly aligned before approving the final layout. The guilloche patterns require absolute precision. Performance testing is complete. The results confirm the batch meets all specifications.
Excellent. It is approved for transfer to the printing hall.
Inside the Perum Peruri facility, massive multicolor offset presses begin the first printing stage for Indonesia.
These successive multicolor offset printing units build the complete composition, applying carefully aligned layers to the 100,000 banknote.
The registration on sheet 45 is fluctuating near the limit. It remains within the 0.06 millimeter tolerance. We are clear for Intaglio.
Welcome to the highly secured Intaglio printing hall. Here, massive presses apply the raised tactile features that distinguish the 100,000 banknote.
Magnified inspection confirms optimal ink application. We are ready for print.
Look at the depth reading on this batch. It's deviating from the standard deviation. Rerunning the optical scan now. The consistency needs to be verified.
At the Intaglio printing station, Engraved plates transfer the reverse artwork featuring the Raja Ampat Islands.
Check the alignment on the optical features. Make sure the lasers are calibrated, systems are nominal. Quality control is green across the board. All security elements verified. Yield rate is holding steady.
Excellent. The new imaging system is performing flawlessly.
Look at the fluctuation on the geometry scan here.
I see it. It's stabilized on the next cycle, though.
Here, artificial vision systems perform comprehensive quality verification. Hundreds of high-speed cameras inspect every banknote sheet for print quality and edges. In the precision finishing hall, massive servo-controlled cutting systems position each sheet with microscopic accuracy. Inventory reconciliation complete. All containers verified.
Confirmed. Requesting biometric access to Vault B.
Through a controlled distribution network, Bank Indonesia ensures the integrity of the 100,000 banknotes. This sophisticated